solidarity trade union that is representing amongst approximately 4 journalists that were officially fired with them, the SABC on Monday, have just announced that they are going to be arguing in the Labour Court today. They specifically said that they are aware that the SABC has not filed any court papers in terms of the case that is happening today. Therefore, they know that the SABC legal team will be arguing against towards a postponement. So that is what they're expecting today from the Labour Court, and they will definitely argue against the postponement because they feel that justice needs to be served and journalists need to go back to their positions.
My heading is Cloudy Motsoeneng versus this democracy of South Africa. The Solidarity will today in the Labour Court request that the decision to dismiss the SABC journalists be set aside and that the disciplinary process be revoked in its entirety, pending the rulings given in the various legal processes against the controversial censorship decision taken by the SABC Chief Operating Officer, Cloudy Motsoeneng. Solidarity is representing Futa Krige, Sunaventa, Krivani Pillay, and Jacques Steenkamp. The other journalists are being represented by their own trade unions and legal teams. A president for one is a president for all, and therefore this case would benefit the dismissed journalists as well as all other journalists who are working in fear. Solidarity will also request that the SABC establish who in the organization was responsible for the decision to dismiss the journalists. And we will request the court to grant a court order against those persons in their individual capacity. The SABC's opposition papers are not ready for today's hearing, and they would probably ask for a postponement. They have been given sufficient time and notice, and this is nothing but another attempt to frustrate and avoid legal processes. The case is of major public interest, and there is the utmost urgency about it, both for the journalists and the South African public. Postponement cannot be granted as a result of a Malay-Filet delaying tactic. Solidarity would oppose any application for postponement. Of the Helen Suzman Foundation still continues to oppose this journalist's efforts to go back to work. The right moral thing and the right legal thing would be to say to them, sorry about our conduct against you. We were wrong. Will you please go back to work?
The matter is postponed to tomorrow. There's nothing to react to. What is there to react to? To react to it was postponed. And the judge explained to why.